The legislation that guides us and defines our need for more energy-efficient buildings is changing and will continue to change. Government targets are becoming ever more stringent, and the demands on our ingenuity to provide far more energy-efficient solutions will grow. Change is relentless and inevitable. Ability introduced the definitive energy-efficient fan coil, Matrix. Matrix is the first fan coil system to fully exploit the capability of individual speed-controlled EC fans at no extra cost. Ability has brought together its patented Matrix EC unit, a specially developed back-neck terminal controller, and a unique and intelligent strategy that together offer the customer an exceptional packaged solution. The first unique feature the Matrix affords is its software-based remote air volume balancing. This enables the commissioning team to set and balance the air volume of each individual duct run without volume control dampers, therefore eliminating the need to access the ceiling space. Imagine as your project races towards handover, being able to balance, adjust or reset any fan coil without having to disturb or rely upon any other trade. Best of all, instructions to one fan coil can be electronically duplicated into as many others as appropriate. Our customers confirm that Matrix fan coils reduce commissioning time significantly and make fit-out changes simple and quick to effect. Matrix units can be programmed so that the fan speed imperceivably reduces from the design level when the gains or losses are low. The unit simply detects the temperature rise or fall and sets the fan speed appropriately for the level of demand. Influencing factors could be as fundamental as the seasons or as transient as an employee moving from one space to another. The advantage is, of course, that running the fans at slower speeds saves energy and reduces the noise for the majority of the year. It will only be under peak load conditions that the unit will ever need to return to its normal design levels. Rooms, particularly meeting rooms or hotel rooms, have variable levels of occupancy and will inevitably remain unoccupied for long periods. Matrix allows the owner to simply define a setback or holding condition for this type of room when it's empty. When the room is entered, the control snaps back into the occupied mode and then, in combination with the demand-dependent fan speed, adjusts the unit to meet the immediate demand and no more. The clever part is that the Matrix system does not rely upon any building management system having been installed. While Matrix will ultimately integrate with any BMS, all the commissioning features are conducted through the Matrix software installed on the laptop that talks to the fan coil via the wireless router that comes as part of the package. Ceiling tile damage, working at height and last-minute panics will all be a thing of the past. The energy demands of a Matrix fan coil will be lower than any other. While other fan coils use EC technology, none combine the three elements that make Matrix so efficient. Remember, a Matrix unit removes the need for duct-mounted volume control dampers. It therefore reduces the duct-borne pressure and is consequently quieter. It doesn't need to be serviced as often and has a longer working life.
We've taken several years to develop this system, but I am intent that Ability will continue to push the boundaries, affording building designers ever more effective fan coil solutions. Already we have the next Matrix generations on test. These new units will be programmed with their design water and airflow rates by Ability in the factory such that when installed on site they require no further attention. While the debate continues about the relative efficiency of all the air conditioning systems, Matrix puts Ability's fan coil system up with, if not beyond, the best of them.